Hi, have a nice day to all of you. Team Assignment Spot proudly presents the following research topic: Students' perspectives on fast food. Regarding this topic, we prepare this presentation to provide a better understanding of the research topic in a slide presentation. So let's see how this research is developed in the upcoming slides. This is the content summary which we are going to present today. Let's move on to the introduction section of the research. First, let's introduce the research. So, fast food could be a necessity of civilization since we've civilizations. From ancient to nowadays, street vendors sold food ready at low costs and through hardship. These days we've restaurants that do the identical factor. Fast food is a form of factory-made food designed for business selling, with a powerful priority placed on speed of service. It's a poster term, restricted to food oversubscribed in an exceedingly edifice or store with frozen, preheated, or prepared ingredients and served in packaging for takeout/takeaway. Nourishment was created as a poster strategy to accommodate massive numbers of busy commuters, travelers, and wage employees. Fast type of food that can be easily ordered, usually at a ready-to-serve counter and drive-through store. McDonald's is one of the most popular fast food stores in the world. McDonald's revenue statistics showed that from 2005 to 2015, revenue increased to US $6.29 billion, McDonald's revenue 2016. This clearly shows that people's tendency to eat fast food is increasing with time. Fast food is popular because of its convenience, and this growing trend directly affects people's health. 1. In addition, consumption of takeout and fast food, higher consumption of carbonated soft drinks and sweets, and lower consumption of fruits, vegetables, grains, and dairy products have been associated with poorer dietary patterns. The following are the research objectives that we mainly focus on in this research. 1. To identify the favorite fast food and favorite fast food restaurant. 2. To identify the time in which students consume fast food. 3. To identify the motivations for students to consume fast food. 4. To identify the fast food consumption rate in students. 5. To identify the level of awareness in students about the harmful effects of fast food. Based on these objectives, the research is developed and analyzed. Then the main topic was divided into 5 subsections. The majority of the fast food was gathered with a focus on the subtopics. First, we identified the problem of fast food restaurant choices in the area. We conducted primary research on the fast food industry, as well as speaking to Year 1 Semester 2 students in the Faculty of Computing on SLIIT to determine the fast food demand. We then created our problem statement. Then created our research objectives and created our survey with our objectives in mind. We used convenience sampling, by handing out surveys to 60 students, 36 boys and 24 girls, of each class standing, junior and senior. We analyzed our data using Google Forms, which created our results so that we could determine our conclusions and recommendations. From here onwards, we are going to analyze the results of the collected data under the topic of favorite fast food and restaurants. The bar chart, which is shown in Figure 1, illustrates the favorite type of fast food of the students who participated in the survey. According to the bar chart, most of the students have selected pizza as their favorite type of fast food, which is 65% of the students, while 53% of the students have selected short eats, 51% as burgers, 45% as club sandwiches, 41% as submarine, and 31% as chips and fries as their favorite type of fast food. In summary, most of the students have selected pizza as their favorite fast food. This figure, it shows the favorite fast food restaurants of the students who participated in the survey. In summary, most of the students prefer Pizza Hut and Pandas. Most of the students do not prefer Fresh Way, as you can see in this figure. According to the survey, the bar chart illustrates the favorite of what makes their restaurant favorite of the student who participated in the survey. In summary, most of the student has selected tasty food as what makes this restaurant our favorite. The percentages are already included in the graph. Now let's look at the fast food eating habits analyzed results. 4 of the 18 questions from the questionnaire were dedicated to figuring out the eating habits of the participants. According to the survey, 31.7% of the participants consume fast food at tea time. Only 16.7% consume fast food as dinner. A similar percentage of participants consume fast food as breakfast and as lunch. Its percentage is 15%. And 21.7% of the participants consume fast food between breakfast and lunch. According to the survey, 8.3% of the participants consume fast food 4 times a week. 10% of the participants consume fast food only once a week. Around 21.7% of the participants consume fast food more than 5 times a week. The second largest percentage of participants tend to consume fast food 3 times a week. Its percentage is 25%. And the highest number of participants consume fast food twice a week. Its percentage is 35%. It's in this figure 5. Clearly the results are displayed. According to the survey, around 71.7% of the participants choose fast food because of their taste, while 70% of the participants consume fast food because of its time saving. Only 26.7% of the participants choose fast food because of the affordable price. Furthermore, 36.7% of the participants consume fast food due to the influence of advertising. But only 43.3% of the participants consume fast food because of a change in their lifestyle. This is shown with the help of the following figure. 6. After analyzing all the responses from 60 participants, it was revealed that approximately 6.7% of the participants spend more than 10,000 rupees on fast food. 36.7% of the participants spend between 2,001 rupees and 4,000 rupees on fast food. 26.7% spend between 4,001 rupees and 6,000 rupees. 13.3% spend between 6,001 rupees and 10,000 rupees. Only 16.7% of the participants spend between 0 and 2,000 rupees on fast food. Out of 18 questions, 3 were asked about the awareness of fast food facts. Ingredients and nutrient labels can be used for getting an idea of the food, and for the question related to ingredients and nutrient fact awareness, 50% check the label, 43.3% do not check the label, and 7% don't care about the ingredients and nutrient fact label on the food. There are many harmful chemicals that are harmful to humans, and some countries banned of using these chemicals. According to Figure 9 about the harmful effects of chemicals in fast food, 80% of students said that they are completely aware of that, and 20% of students said that they do not know about the harmful effect of chemicals in fast food. Fast food contains various kinds of chemicals and things. These will lead to serious health issues such as headaches, depression, obesity, stress, high blood pressure, etc. The question that was asked was about health issues caused by fast food. 64% of the students said yes and 36% of students said no to the question. Limited evidence suggests that fast food's high fat and salt content may increase addictive potential. Fast food restaurants cluster in poorer neighborhoods and obese adults eat more fast food than those of average weight. According to Figure 11, 61.7% of the respondents considered eating fast food an addiction, and the remaining 38.3% considered eating fast food not an addiction. Fast food is typically loaded with calories, sodium, and unhealthy fat, often enough in one meal for an entire day. It also tends to be low in nutrients and almost totally lacking in fruit, vegetables, and fiber. In this Figure 12, it is evident that about 83.3% of the respondents considered fast food unhealthy and the remaining 16.7% considered fast food healthy. It is the government's responsibility to provide clear information on foods and nutrition. Rational government involvement can lead to better nutrition for the population whilst stimulating an efficient agricultural industry. This figure shows that 70% of respondents considered the government was not monitoring the quality of fast food and 30% of respondents considered the government was monitoring the quality of fast food. The satisfaction with fast food. According to Figure 14, 31.7% of students rated 5, 30% students rated 4, 21.7% of students rated 3, 8.3% of students rated 2, and 8.3% of students rated 1. Finally, we can conclude most of the students were satisfied with fast food. Now we have come to the conclusion of this research. The main objective of this survey is to figure out the students' perspectives on fast food. Fast food consumption time, consumption rate, individual preferences, and harmful effects of fast food consumption were mainly focused on as possible factors that would affect perspectives. According to this survey, it was identified that the consumption of fast food is motivated by several factors. These factors include the taste of fast food, time consumption, affordability, lifestyle changes, and the influence of advertisements. In this survey, it was identified that 99% of the participants consume fast food. Around 80% of the participants are completely aware of the harmful effects of chemicals that are present in fast food, although around 50% of the participants do not check the ingredients of the fast food they consume. Raising awareness about the certain types of chemicals that are present in fast food. Educating people about the long-term and short-term side effects and health risks of said chemicals is highly recommended. In addition, educating people about the benefits of eating healthy organic food, and their long-term and short-term benefits is also recommended. Now we have come to the final stage of this presentation. In this slide, you can see the references which we referred to develop this research. They were very useful to build up the outline of this research in a systematic manner. Thank you for watching and listening to our presentation. Have a nice day. We will meet you again with another useful presentation. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos.